End off is section 9 of 16. Class 1 400-meter for boys. Advancing well is Carpenter from Calabar High. Also doing well on the outside is Paul from Kingston College in lane 8. But the youngster from Calabar is on hot pursuit. Wilmer's also doing well. But leading the pack still. Well, now leading the pack is the youngster from Calabar. That's Carpenter in lane 5. Paul also doing well in lane 8 from Kingston College. But Calabar leads this one in the final few meters of this event. Carpenter from Calabar leading the pack. The giant was on to second. The youngster from Jamaica College, that's Luca from Jamaica College. Advancing well. But Carpenter from Calabar unofficially takes this one, followed by seemingly Jamaica College.